How's it been? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're here today at Mossel Bay, the Bakker Santos. It's another year. We're pressing Xtreme Autofest 2025 this year. We're here and we're the building. Stay tuned. This is day one. We'll be pressing you guys with live interviews, live check-ins. This is the press for today and we have a few shoots lined up. So this vlog is dedicated to day one only. Each day will have its own vlog. This is day one. Check-in, showcase display of chalets, people who booked in. So yeah guys, we'll be pressing heavy today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Some of the guys rolling in now all the way from Cape Town. We have the German news here and Resistance is in the building. How it is, just lekker vibes. It's Autofest week. Shout out to the Honda boys. Honda boys are in the building. We're here and we're outside guys. Xtreme Autofest 2025. Yeah, we're applying heavy pressure. Guys, Fanton just arrived all the way from PE with his 5. Yo. Don't have a lot to say, you all know the vibes. 5 is 5. 5 is 5 guys, really hard 5. Going with a pair of a set of Audi wheels, syndicate sticker. Yeah, nah, his car is hard, his car is really hard. Nothing much, just about to take off the tape. Fanton's 5, you know, 5 is 5 and 5 is alive. And yeah, quickly we'll be removing the tape. Busy charging the phone and so on, but yeah, some of the guys pulled up, you know, it's heavy. Friday, first day, Xtreme Autofest. We have good things going on, you know, slammed cars, slammed vibes, just the way you like it. But yeah guys, we'll be applying a little bit of pressure. Also went to pick up the merch from Iron, but unfortunately it was at the moment while my phone was charging. But yeah, I'll go around and displaying some of the cars that are here. Day one, Xtreme Autofest Friday. So yeah guys, this is just some of the perks you experience when you book in at Xtreme Autofest.
Me and my girlfriend bustin', fell in love with the struggle. Hands on the steering wheel, clutch, watch me bail out bustle. Fuck 'em all, watch them fall screaming. Automatic gunfire, exercising all demons. My mafio's on the side.
We're doing a quick breakfast run.
Yes, Mossel Bay, good morning, how are they? How's the way? We are at the Bakker Santos today. With my brother Guillermo from local Carstown, shout out to you. Just doing some breakfast run, just getting some eggs, cheese, patties, you know, all the things just to get ready. But I hope you stay tuned with us today. And we're gonna rock. We're gonna put pressure and we're gonna shine, baby. Once again, shout out from me, MC Fanton, the host of the show, and my brother Guillermo. Thank you very much. See you later.
We are in the outside, ladies and gentlemen. We're applying pressure. We're sorting out the ouch, you know how it is. As man eier hy vir jou jong. As vir my die man as vir die skool jy weet.
Yeah, push it P, turn me up. Turn me up P. Pointers in the paddock in my piece. I'm pushing P. Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got a spot across the spot. just for peace. Drop the data, now we plotting exotic peas. She not a lesbian for peace, she turned lesbian. Push P, I'm Pusha P. I'm capital P, I write these presidents, count presidents. Push P. Portuguese on her knees, mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep a P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink.
Yeah guys, I'm here with static Vicky. Nothing much, not applying too much pressure. How's it where? I would say what's your expectations for the day?
We see how it goes, Western region always.
Very important, very
Claims
important.
for 2 years I wanted to be, I can't be here now, after the third year. So
So yeah, we're applying pressure, we're applying heavy pressure.
big pressure. Let's see what the day holds for us. So we pull it through.
Yeah, we are with Vicky, quickly gonna do a cute shoot with Vicky and his static kitty. Nothing much, nothing more. But yeah.
So then, why?
Yeah guys, we're just here at the showground. Some of the guys are busy sitting up. Vlog is gonna be a bit messy. So yeah. We're gonna sort everything out here for the guys. Guys are busy sorting everything out. I just finished shooting Shanton and Vicky. I'm gonna press PG now. Donna's first time out after a while. So yeah, we're showcasing Donna. For those who haven't seen Donna in a while, because it's been years and the car has been outside. But yeah, it's outside today. So yeah, guys, we'll be pressing.
Kasi One, two. We have Leroy Bartman in the house. Yeah. We live.
Just talking to that. Just three questions. Just three questions.
Yes, sir.
Name?
My name is Leroy Bartman.
Car?
Driving this Caddy 1992. USA Speed.
Yes.
Green. And one of one.
And what inspired you?
Slam City guys, may bro yara kayo ginawa ni Bayan.
Shout out to Slim City Uzela.
Slam City kan ana ni Bayan may bro so ko mo mga kan niya.
Yes. But your ball is very good. Thank you for pulling through, and I hope you enjoy Xtreme Autofest 2025. Thank you very much.
Mami baraman yara.
You're not around in my tree.
How's it there? We just arrived at the showground. It's really hot. You have heavy cars all around. Some of the oldest cars are here. It's just pure pressure this year. But we're here and we're online. We're in the building. Just gonna do a quick walkthrough. I'll show you guys all the cars and all the ins and outs that are here. But as we go on, I'll ask Fanton, the MC, to do some of the interviews for me on the day you check. So yeah, stay tuned.
Is it on? Yeah, it's on. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm here with my brother all the way from Plettenberg Bay. My brother, what's your name?
Hi there, man. My name is Dean, but everybody calls me Dean.
Yes.
So yeah, this is my my kitty bucket.
Yes.
So what inspired me was, most when you were young, you had that poster, most
Yes.
to say one day is one day.
Yes. And that's
Now
for you.
that is the day today.
Yes.
So yeah, en as al my braso wat my mag gehelp het, so
Yes.
weekends.
Yes.
En dan gaat ons maar aan, kyk ons maar wat ons kan maak.
And you say it's built from the ground.
Man,
Every inch.
I have photos where I'm sitting inside the engine bay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go.
Jy sê jy het die bout self gedoen.
85%.
Nee?
Everything except the paint job.
Which is amazing, by the way.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Very custom, very well done. Immaculate paint job. And thank you for coming to Xtreme Autofest 2025, Mossel by the Bakaman. We are privileged to have you.
Coming since the hook, man.
Yes, shout out to Logo Car Stands for making it possible also. And shout out to the rest of the guys. But like I said, plate all the way. Mossel by. No, plate Mossel by. Plate Mossel by. How's it there? How's it where? Thank you very much. But, that was fun, you see? So, 2, 1, go. So tell me a little bit something about your air setup. If you can just show me over here.
Okay. So what I can tell you is that you know, Mos, you have your airlock suppliers, you used to have your caster suppliers and everything. So everybody is just selling the normal things. So one day I just decided if I'm gonna make this bucket different, then I might just do everything different.
And you obviously did everything custom.
Yes.
And it's just immaculate. It's just clean. It's just awesome.
And just to add, everything was built in the garage. So welding
By yourself, obviously.
by
Shout
ourselves.
out to you. Give yourself a shout out over there.
Yes, so shout out to me for building this custom thing. I don't know how many there are in the
I think it's
southern.
one of one. I think it's one of one in the southern hemisphere. One
So
of-
yeah, I haven't seen anybody posted one or something, but yeah,
yes.
I think it's gonna hold for some time.
Immaculate.
So thank you, brother.
Yes.
Sup.
But otherwise, thank you so much, man, and thank you for inspiring us with your boats. But otherwise, shout out to you. Thank you very much. We're gonna give over to you. Thanks.
In my dreams, they
Ladies and gentlemen, we're here today at Xtreme Autofest. I'm here with the manager of the R32. As we watched the social media and stuff, we saw there was a big part, played a big role in the build of the car. So I just have a few questions for him. Can you please introduce yourself to the people?
Hello, hi, I'm Southcott, all the way from Plettenberg Bay, Kranjuk, Aichukai.
Can you please tell me the feedback on how the journey was to get the build here, and just explain to the people all the hard work that was pressed to get the car to where it is today, since you are the manager.
It was tough, but we made it. It was tough, we made it. And to be honest, it's the second year we've been here. And at the first year, we win a prize. Now we want something.
Something big.
Something better than last year.
Very important. I love. So you say there's future upgrades waiting for us. This is an inspiration to the youth. You're doing a good thing. I want you guys to keep it up. Yeah, I love to see someone that's helping a very close friend of him getting there, because there's a lot of friends that only spread negative energy. They don't want to see their friends go further. But you are proving to the world, to everyone out there, that if you stay true to a bra, anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Where's the energy now? Okay, I'm just joking now.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Stout gat. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Xtreme Autofest 2025. I'm here with Nathan. Nathan, please tell me about your car.
Yes, man. My name is Nathan. I'm the proud owner of this Mark 1. Stock standard car. We refurbished it totally. And we, from the beginning, it was a total standard car with the 1.4i motor in. And we changed basically everything on the car. Yeah, so yo, it's like a child's dream, man.
And tell me what inspired not just the build, but the whole transformation of the 1.4.
Yes. So the idea, like from the beginning, man, I was as a child. That was us. I think every kid's dream to have a Mark 1. Yeah. Any boys dream from a young age, man, to have a Mark 1 and just the basic on the car. So it started with just max, that wide 9.5 J's max, that whole bucky wire, that red wheel, and it just elevated from that, man. And then we started begin with the bags, and then it went to the coilovers, and we started to do the bags, and just it elevated very fast in 2 years.
I'm glad you shared all of this, and a lot of sweat, blood and tears went into this. But shout out to you, shout out to your team.
Thank you very much for supporting Xtreme Autofest 2025. And I hope everything on the best for you, man. Nathan. Thank you very much. Thank you for the chance. Yes, thank you. Here we go. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today with Click, all the way from the Eastern Cape. Today I have my brother with me here. Look there. It's just so awesome. It's just so seer. My bro, say for me by your name.
Ja, nou.
And what inspired you? This is a basic question. Hoekom heb je gedoen wat je gedoen hebt?
It just looks lekker.
Yeah. And everyone can enjoy it.
Ja.
Everyone can love it. And for those who don't know, baie mense gaan kyk. Jy maar net hy het 'n new look bumper and a new look everything. But shout out to Click for always click and subscribe. Meow cow, click and subscribe. Thank you for coming through, ladies and gentlemen. Baie dankie guys from Click for supporting us and believing in us. Xtreme Autofest 2025, the Bakker, Mossel Bay, baie dankie. Thank you very much. Thank you. Are you ready? 3 to 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. I am here with my brother in arms. Rafik Fredericks, he needs no... Exactly. Okay, baie dankie vir pick up and I'm skating all the way from the Eastern Cape, Xtreme Autofest 2025. The Bakker Mossel Bay, how's it there? How's it where, ladies and gentlemen? There you go. Same time, same time, same time, same time.